and I just wanted to say a few quick words about the VP-17-1 coffee maker. How many coffee makers have you gone through in your home? If you're like me, it's about one every couple years. This commercial VP is the real deal. This coffee maker will last for decades. Parts can be found locally, so if it needs it, it's easy to be repaired. The whole thing is brushed heavy-duty stainless steel, so it's not accents in stainless steel. It's heavy-duty, will last forever. It's much bigger than a standard home brewer, so you'll have to make sure the dimensions will work for a place in your house. It brews a hot cup of coffee, hotter than I've ever had from a homemaker, so that's great. And let's see, oh, one last tip. Make sure you buy the carafe separately as it does not come with it. Other than that, totally worth the investment. Love it.